वेंकीटेश पिज़्ज़ा खाना नंबर 1 में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं पुणे में। अब पुणे में कुछ जगह सिर्फ जगह नहीं होती, इंस्टीट्यूशन होते हैं, जैसे भंडारकर इंस्टीट्यूट, डेक्कन जिमखाना या फर्ग्यूसन कॉलेज। और इन्हीं पुणे इंस्टीट्यूशंस की लिस्ट में एक और नाम आता है जिसका नाम है आम्रपाली। अब ये चिली मिली क्या है? ये चिली मिली क्या है? बॉस, दिस इज द बाप ऑफ द पाव भाजी और उसका नाम है, वो उसे अच्छी तरह से डिस्क्राइब करता है। कहते हैं कि जब बटर लगाते हैं ना, तो बटर शर्मा के नहीं लगाते, बराबर से लगाते हैं बटर।
हमारा फ्राइड राइस बहुत पॉपुलर है दाल के साथ।
दाल के साथ
दाल
फ्राइड
के
राइस।
साथ फ्राइड राइस खाते हैं।
अगर आप इमेजिन करोगे कि ब्रेड को डीप फ्राई करके जो क्रिस्पीनेस आता है और टमाटो सूप के साथ जब आप चबाते हो, जो टेस्ट आता है, अनबिलीवेबल। आम्रपाली एक प्योर वेजिटेरियन रेस्टोरेंट है, लेकिन इसकी खास बात सिर्फ ये नहीं है। यहाँ कुछ डिशेस ऐसे हैं जो आपको कहीं और नहीं मिलेंगी। आम्रपाली की अपनी क्रिएशंस। और कमाल की बात यह है कि 50 साल पुराना रेस्टोरेंट होते हुए भी आज भी ये नए डिशेस ऐड करते हैं। तो चलिए पूना के फर्ग्यूसन कॉलेज रोड पर आम्रपाली में, और वहां जाकर खाते हैं खाना नंबर 1 आम्रपाली। बहुत कम बार ऐसा होता है कि मेरे जो गेस्ट है उनका नाम भी कुणाल है, और दिस इज कुणाल।
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, this is the second generation running Amrapali, but the family history of running restaurants in Pune go back a long way, don't they?
Since the 50s.
Fifth to the 50s.
Yeah.
And you've got restaurants that your grandfather started,
Yes.
right, on Ferguson
On
Road,
Ferguson College
which
Road.
are today
Still
the most-
operational, yeah.
and the most famous
most famous,
restaurants in an all vegetarian one.
They're all veg, yeah.
So tell me about Amrapali.
So this was started by my father in 1976, and we've been in operation for over 50 years now. It's completed 50 years. And so the original menu is there, but then my brother and I joined in 2006. So
So when dad started the restaurant, तो वेजिटेरियन तो है,
Pure
लेकिन साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट ने स्टार्ट किया। मेन्यू जस्ट कैसे डेवलप हुआ ये?
Dad थोड़े हटके थे.
Okay.
तो उनको he wanted to start the first fine dine restaurant.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we were the first people on the stretch to actually serve customers the finger bowl.
Oh.
We're that
not
old.
bad,
Yeah.
not bad,
We have
not
to
bad.
educate our customers that this is to wash your hands.
And you know, I stepped into
Yeah.
the restaurant, मैंने देखा अंदर
Correct.
जो डेकोर है वो भी एक पुराने स्टाइल में पॉश ही है।
Yes,
You know,
yes.
slightly कैसे बोलते हैं कि तब उस जमाने के अमीर लोगों के घर कैसे होते थे
Correct,
ना,
correct.
हिंदी फिल्मों में कैसे
Correct,
70s के घर होते
correct,
थे,
correct.
उस तरह का रेस्टोरेंट।
Correct.
But there are some really unusual
There are,
dishes.
yeah.
So did your father, starting with your father, did they?
So the very popular dishes on our menu are all old school, started by my dad. Like he was a perfectionist and like a horrible perfectionist, you
Okay,
could say that.
okay,
Like
okay.
everything had to be on point for him. उनको 19-20 का फर्क नहीं चलता था.
Okay.
Like when it's this way, ऐसा ही बनना है.
Okay.
And then along the journey, like when my brother and I started, like we also had to put our personal touches. So we picked up recipes from wherever we travel to eat. Like
Okay.
our family loves eating.
Yeah.
So अलग-अलग जगहों से we've come up with a few unique items which you can only find at Amrapali.
क्योंकि आपका जो मेन्यू है वो पूरा इंडियन नहीं है,
पूरा इंडियन नहीं
कॉन्टी भी है।
कॉन्टी भी है।
हाँ।
अभी पिज्जा भी स्टार्ट किया हम
पिज्जा भी
लोगों ने।
start
वो
किया है।
तंदूर में बनाते हैं हम लोग पिज्जा।
ओह,
वो थोड़ा तो इसलिए थोड़ा हटके लाइक
हटके
वी डोंट
है।
हैव अ पिज्जा ओवन लेकिन
आई हैव ग्रेट एक्सपेक्टेशंस, क्योंकि मैं रिकमेंडेशन पर आया हूँ यहाँ। अमित और काजल और मेरे जो
They're very
पूना
good
में
friends.
फ्रेंड्स हैं, और बाला
सर यस
जो हमारे स्पॉन्सर है,
करेक्ट
ये सर वहाँ का खाना आप जाकर टेस्ट करो, यू विल नेवर फॉरगेट द
That's true.
सो आई हैव कम फॉर दैट।
नाइस
तो अगर मैंने आपको पूछा कि मुझे क्या खाना चाहिए यहाँ
Amrapali में
आम्रपाली,
you have to start with the tomato soup,
ओके,
classic old school.
वैसे तो मैं आपको एक एक करके बता सकता हूँ कि मेरे टेबल पे क्या है, लेकिन क्योंकि when this restaurant was started, it was like a fine dining restaurant. I'm going to do the fine dining number. Okay? Nice सर्वियत लेते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे करके डालते हैं और टमाटो सूप से स्टार्ट करते हैं हम लोग. टमाटो सूप के साथ खाते हैं डिनर रोल्स एंड बटर. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट. आहा, लवली. थोड़ा और लगाएंगे. Beautiful. And the tomato soup is really lovely, old-fashioned with croutons, fried croutons, not done in an oven. Tomato soup में crouton होने ही चाहिए. Without croutons, there's no fun in tomato soup. Exactly the way I like my tomato soup. It is a little sweet. It's very, very slightly spicy. Sourness of the tomato and the richness of the cream. और उसके साथ dinner rolls with butter. एक सिप लेते हैं पाइनएप्पल कॉकटेल. रिफ्रेशिंग.
स्टार्टर में आज आपके लिए कुछ हटके बनाया है.
ओके.
ओके, वेज गलाउटी बनाया है. बट
Okay.
अगर आप ब्लाइंड फोल्ड थे तो यू वोंट बी एबल टू टेल.
पता भी नहीं चलेगा.
पता नहीं चलेगा कि ये वेज है क्या नॉन वेज है.
ये है गलाउटी, लेकिन प्योर वेजिटेरियन गलाउटी है. दिस इज मेड विद लौकी, चना दाल, little bit of soya stuff in it, and this pudina chutney. It's served on this little paratha varki ulte tawe ka. I'll just have this, by itself. Let's taste it first. I don't want to say as good as meat. It's damn delicious. It's as good as a otherwise galawati. It's very nice. And I like the little bit of chana dal in it. I can taste it. It's yummy. अब ये सब जो dishes है ना, these are the most famous dishes in Amrapali.
हमारा दाल भी थोड़ा अलग है क्योंकि सब लोग बोलते हैं आम्रपाली का दाल. It's iconic over here.
काली दाल है, येलो दाल है?
ये दोनों है. एंड मैं सब जगह काली दाल ट्राई किया है पूना में, लेकिन आज द बेस्ट. It's kind of more authentic. We don't put all that too much cream and all that stuff.
ये है chili milli. I don't know what it is. I'm going to try it and I'll tell you what it is. But it's iconic. Everybody comes and orders chili milli over here. इसके बाद ये है जाल फ्राई. Again, मुझे यहाँ पाइनएप्पल दिखता है. मुझे वार्न किया है कि थोड़ा मीठा है, तो अगर आपको अच्छा लगे तो लगे, नहीं तो नहीं लगे. मुझे तो मीठा अच्छा लगता है, तो आई विल लाइक इट. ये दाल तड़का है. It's simple palak paneer, but it's supposed to be the best palak paneer you can get in Pune. Yellow dal, black dal. This is a vegetarian version of sali boti. Actually, Ashwin, Kunal's brother, was telling me that they eat Parsi food at Dorabji's quite regularly, and they've tried to recreate the same flavor with a vegetarian recipe. So I'm dying to eat that sali boti. What I like about the sali boti, I'll tell you later on, is the sali and why I like it.
और हमारे इधर ऑड कॉम्बिनेशंस में हमारा फ्राइड राइस बहुत पॉपुलर है दाल के साथ. लोग इधर
दाल के साथ फ्राइड
राइस खाते हैं.
ओके, खाते हैं.
ओके.
येलो दाल और ब्लैक दाल?
येलो दाल.
I like yellow dal.
I
like yellow dal. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to try that. This is fried rice. And I have been told that the fried rice should be eaten with dal. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 2 spoons of fried rice. एक के साथ yellow dal. एक के साथ black dal. I'm making 2 mounds. 2 mounds. Nice, hot, piping, garam. Only in India. Well, so the dal and rice is quite famous. So why should this not work as well? And this is my favorite. Yellow dal with tadka. Nothing compares to yellow dal with tadka. Fried onion on top. Red chili, kadi patta. Unglia. I'm not being very fine dining. I'm being asleep. I really think that's the way to enjoy food. I'm smiling because the taste surprises me. I have eaten chili chicken with roti and naan. I've eaten other Chinese food with Indian accompaniments, but I've never eaten fried rice, Chinese fried rice with black dal, and it's brilliant. And if I can say this is brilliant, I'm telling you this is going to be even better. Simply because I like yellow dal better. Dal chawal, Chinese dal. It's fabulous. And इसके साथ ही ये खिचड़ी भी ट्राई करते हैं. देखो भैया, मैं सुधर गया हूँ. खिचड़ी खा रहा हूँ मैं. And it's a wrong thing that people eat khichdi only when they are sick. It's literally like, varan, Maharashtrian varan with rice. Apparently, they put in a little dahi to just give it its consistency and creaminess. And this is lovely. The little bit of jeera in it, a little bit of curry patta in it, and desi ghee. Desi ghee. अभी ये जो आइकॉनिक डिशेस है मैं ट्राई करने वाला हूँ. बट आई वांट टू सी व्हाट इज देयर इन दिस पालक पनीर दैट मेक्स इट सो फेमस. ब्लडी जो भी बोलता है अमरपाली जाओ और पालक पनीर खा के आओ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द पनीर लुक्स रियली नाइस. कड़क रोटी एज रिकमेंडेड बाय अमित. कड़क रोटी. The quality of the paneer is excellent. The palak cooked beautifully well, retaining its green color, very mildly spiced, not too much oil. A little bit of cheese on top just does it. This is very good palak paneer. I can understand why people rave about this. Excellent. You ever thought कि हम एक शो करेंगे जहाँ मैं बैठकर सिर्फ पालक पनीर खा रहा हूँ, लेकिन ये पालक पनीर स्पेशल है. अब ये चिली मिली क्या है? ये चिली मिली क्या है?
The most popular is chili milli.
चिली मिली?
हाँ.
ओके.
चिली मिली को बनाने में उसका प्रेप टाइम ही 4 घंटे है.
क्यों? क्या है क्या
वो अपना सीक्रेट है.
अच्छा, okay.
हमारा सीक्रेट है.
लेकिन 4 घंटे क्यों लगते हैं?
उनको उसको भून के 20 किलो वेजिटेबल्स को रिड्यूस करके फिर उसका डिश बनता है.
ओके ओके ओके.
सो
चिली मिली तो खानी है.
चिली मिली तो आपको ट्राई करना ही है.
Okay, I get it. It's like a mixed vegetable with tons of pyaz in it, served with papad. So I'm going to crush this papad and eat this chili milli with it. And it's got all the vegetables. And I'm looking to figure out what vegetables there are in it. I can't make out. But I can see lots of onion. I can see green peas. I can see tomato. Boss, this is the pap of the pav bhaji. And considering that these vegetables have been sauteed and bhun out for hours and hours, they still retain a certain amount of crunch. The spices are just perfect. You can hear the crunchy of the crunchiness of it. It's not become into one soggy mess. It's just yum. It's a damn good idea to eat it with papad. Chili milli. और उसका नाम है वो उसे अच्छी तरह से डिस्क्राइब करता है. सब मिला हुआ है, उसमें चिली भी है. And this is the kind of dish I've never eaten in any Punjabi restaurant, any South Indian restaurant, in any restaurant. Unique. Now, jal fry.
So jal fry, you either absolutely love it or you will not take a liking to it क्योंकि वो sweet touch हमने डाला है अपने गुजराती और मारवाड़ी कस्टमर्स के लिए.
मुझे स्वीट अच्छा लगता है.
आपको पसंद है?
मलाई कोफ्ता वगैरह सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है.
सब कुछ अच्छा लगता है. तो जाल फ्राई ऑल्सो उसको बनाने के लिए 5 घंटे लगते हैं. तो प्रेप टाइम इज क्वाइट लॉन्ग.
ओके.
लेकिन जो हमारे मारवाड़ी कस्टमर्स आते हैं तो उनका इसमें जाल फ्राई रहना ही
लगता
चाहिए. या
और मुझे वार्निंग दिया है कि ये थोड़ा मीठा है, लेकिन मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं क्योंकि मुझे मीठा खाना अच्छा लगता है. पाइनएप्पल लेते हैं ना, क्यों छोड़े इस पाइनएप्पल को। कड़क रोटी। It's damn difficult to describe. So this also, a bit like the chili milli, has tons of vegetables in it, all chopped, julienned, punnaud, with little tomato gravy in it, spices, a little bit of cream, and obviously pineapple makes it sweet and then topped with wonderful fried cashews. I'm going to eat this pineapple piece. I love it. The sweetness is lovely. Now, let's try this veg sali boti. I can't believe this. Veg sali boti. And what I like most, the sali is made here, right here, not from a shop. Let me taste it and see if it tastes like sali boti. It's a dal sali boti. It's nice and spicy, a bit like the dhansak dal, with veg koftas inside, as if it's pieces of meat. It's unbelievable. There's chopped chilies in it. So it's like a sort of robust masala dal and sali on top. Yum. Dal roti. And now, before we head to the homemade pizza, which is made in a tandoor, I'm going to try this. This is what can be called a creation of my dear friend B. Balaji Rao. Makhanwala, they just put cheese in it. No paneer. Cheese. This is cheese butter masala, not paneer butter masala. Look at this. Yeah, you can see it. It's just chunks of bloody cheese. Can you see? दिखता है? देखिए, cheese. Oh, beautiful. The butter masala is great. Like a butter masala should be. Slightly sweet, slightly tangy, a little bit of spice, and this creamy, rich chunk of cheese inside. I think you should try this at home. You know, there's a sense of familiarity to all the food, but a sense of surprise. खाना जाना पहचाना लगता है, लेकिन चौंका देता है. Chili milli, jal fry, yellow dal with fried rice, khichdi, galavati, and this cheese butter masala. Oof! Let's end this with some pizza, pasta, Amrapali style. Okay, here comes my pizza. This is a margherita pizza, one lovely slice, but one slice. And it's been done in a tandoor, and I'm quite sure that when I taste it, it's going to taste a little different from what the normal. First of all, I can see the bread is really nice. Everything got a little sweetness to it. And I like it. The tomato sauce also beautiful. The smokiness of the pizza when it comes out of a tandoor instead of a wood fire oven is nice, it's unusual. And I'm going to try this. Spaghetti in cream cheese sauce. I can see mushrooms. I can see capsicum. Ooh. And the trick is the cream cheese sauce. If the cream cheese sauce is good, it'll all be good. गरम है, थोड़ा रुको. The paprika on top, the crunchy capsicum in it, and the beautiful cream cheese. I love it. I love the idea of putting capsicum and cheese in it. Oof. Now, अगर आपने मुझे पूछा कि मुझे सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा, बहुत मुश्किल होगा क्योंकि it's been a very varied table of vegetarian food. I cannot call it Punjabi, I cannot call it North Indian, I cannot call it South Indian. This has flavors of the old restaurants that Mumbai and Pune used to have. The restaurants which served you tandoori as well as Conti food. The restaurants that created dishes like jalfrezi. The restaurant which there was a flavor of a time slightly gone by, but the dish is still very, very relevant to today. The chili milli and the jal fry, exceptional. I personally, because I like sweet food, I like the jal fry a lot. The sali boti in dal, I don't tell any of my non-veg friends, but I could eat that, honestly. And the pièce de resistance for me is this cheese in butter masala. The cheese in butter masala. How can you go wrong with cheese? And don't get me wrong, I also like the khichdi and the palak paneer and everything. So I'm hoping that you have got some ideas to. It's Shravan, so we are doing pure vegetarian food right now, at least on this episode. And I'm sure you're thinking of what you could eat during this month of vegetarian fasting food. And this is a great way to enjoy a variety of different things. बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ही अच्छा है. I'm hoping that this has been a very nice, unusual episode for me, because this has not only come as a recommendation from really, really good friends who love the food and eat here all the time. It's a discovery for me, especially an institution that's run for 50 years, second generation running right now, with hospitality and restaurant in their blood, and these dishes, and I hope they continue making new dishes. If you like the food, please write to us, share kijiye, subscribe kijiye, and see you next time on Venky's Presents Khana number 1. And since this is the restaurant that first introduced finger bowls into Pune, can I get a finger bowl, please? There. Thank you, and thank you. What a record. First restaurant to introduce finger bowls in Pune. Now you can go, huh? Bye. See you.